And since this beautiful deen, or this action that you are currently enduring, practicing, is an act of worship, we must all make sure, and this is very, very important, that we are here today for one reason, that our hearts is full of MashaAllah, tabarakallah, Ikhlas. You know what Ikhlas is? Sincerity. There's no really word in English for it. Ikhlas is Ikhlas. Now when we say Ikhlas, I don't mean 99.99999%. No. This is not Ikhlas. If you've got 99.9999 to the end of the world of Ikhlas, you are not performing Ikhlas. So what is Ikhlas? 100%. In other words, you are here for one reason. Ask him, what's the reason you're here today for?
To learn.
To learn? So what is the main essence of your existence today here? In this classroom, in Al-Khadim, in Malaysia, in Petalanjaya? What is the main reason? To learn, yes, but what is the essence? What is the core? For who?
Sorry?
For whom?
To benefit myself for the sake of
I was going to give you a good point there, but I'm going to reject it. Take it back. For Allah. You knew it. Sometimes the easy, yeah. Sometimes the easy questions are too easy that you try to think it could be something else. Yeah, I understand where you're coming from. It happens to me all the time. And there are questions sometimes are so easy to answer, but you say it's too easy. That answer is too easy. There must be something involved there. It must become kind of trickery. But Jazakallah khair, I knew you had it all in there, just the computer was a bit slow today. So the heart must be full of, and like I said, Ikhlas is not 99.9, it is what? 100% for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In other words, we are not here for the gratification of the mind or the senses. We are not here, we don't practice or pursue Islam or the acquisition of Islam, the knowledge of Islam, with boastfulness or ostentation or rancor or arrogance or wanting to exceed above others or wastage. And we definitely not pursue this path and learn this path for the reckless pursuit of higher standards of material living. You understand what I'm saying here? There are many people out there that learn Islam so they can be teachers, and then it entails a job, a salary. We are not here for that reason. And likewise, there are many out there that learn Islam to be called a Sheikh, a eminent, a alim, a scholar. His eminence, al-fadila, they say. We are not here for that reason. And there are people out there that love to learn Islam so they can argue with the fuqaha, or they can defame or shame the ignorant. We are not here for that reason. We are here for one reason: to know who Allah is, purely, solely for the countenance, the pleasure of the Almighty Allah. This is the only reason we are here, to understand how the real worship of Allah should be. Ikhlas, 100%.